Want to learn how to find books that are available in the library collection? Watch this video.
Jenny, a Year 1 student, is seeking help from a librarian on finding a book.
I found the record for the book I want in the library catalog, but how do I actually get it?
Make sure it's available. Its location is book collection, and its call number starts with HD. Books with call numbers starting with A through L are shelved on LG4, while those begin with M to Z are on LG3. Click the Locate button. It will take you to a map showing you the shelf area. You can take the lift or the stairs to LG4 to get the book. Please come back if you need any help.
Great, thank you.
If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST Library. If you want to know more about the library materials retrieval service for books and DVDs, please click the link in the video description.